Let's make spaghetti aglio e olio. Got 10 minutes? Let's make something fire. Thinly slice garlic. Dice onions finely. Swirl olive oil in the pan. Add garlic in the pan. Toss in onions, let them soften. Pour in tomato puree now. Add water to loosen sauce. Then add cooking cream. Stir until evenly mixed. Sprinkle some herbs. Add some butter. Add shredded cheese. Add salt according to taste. Pasta Zing Spaghetti pasta. Ready in just 55 seconds. Add your Pasta Zing Spaghetti pasta. Serve it hot with garlic bread. Garnish it with parsley. Enjoy!